This video today is going to show you exactly how you can make over $1,000 in just a few minutes of work in a day using one link. Over here you can see I've just been doing this in a few days and I've already made over $1,000. If you want to learn exactly how I did this, all you need to do is watch this video until the end so that you can be equipped with the exact same skill and little trick that I used with this one link to make your first $1,000 online in about 2 days of work. Hey there guys, it's Jay here from the channel Millionaire Mindsets. I'm very excited about today's video because this is going to be a brand new strategy that I have not spoken about on my channel before. So on my channel I've got well over 450 videos. In this video, I've never spoken about this website before. It's brand new. This is the perfect time to make use of this website and the strategy that I'm about to show you so that you can make your first $1,000 online. I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 in your first day making money online completely for free. You don't need any money. There's no trials or monthly memberships to join the websites I'm about to show you. They're completely free to join. It's worldwide and accepted in every single country that you can think of, so your location does not matter. And you can do this off your mobile phone. All you need is a basic laptop or a basic phone and an internet connection, and you're on your way to making money from your couch. It's completely beginner friendly, meaning if you have no idea what a computer is, I'm going to log onto my PC for you, show you on my screen exactly what I did step by step. What I love about the strategy, a lot of it can become passive and a lot of it can do the work for itself. As remember, there's a lot of tools that run these kind of businesses for you and that makes this passive income. So once you get started with this at the end of this video, you can also earn some passive income online. If this is your first time coming to the Millionaire Mindset channel, my name is Jay. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur from South Africa. On this channel, I'm posting tons of daily free courses, free videos, free trainings on what I do in my life, on how to make money online so that you can get free value and learn from that. And if you watched yesterday's video, you would have known that I do a giveaway in every video. So this person on the screen is the winner of yesterday's $10 giveaway. Well done to you. Make sure to read the tip and comment down below. If you want to enter another $10 giveaway for tomorrow's video, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, put the notifications bell on. That's important. I can see who subscribed to the channel. Leave a like down below on the like button, and then leave your favorite quote, comment, motivational or inspirational quote. In tomorrow's video, I'll choose my best one or the one that I like the most. I'll pin that on the screen like I did today, and you'll get $10 straight to your PayPal, or if you don't have PayPal, your Bitcoin wallet. Also, come over to my second channel where I'm posting tons of reliable content and courses for you to learn from and equip yourself with the high income skills that you need to make money online. I'm also doing $20 giveaways in this video on my latest channel over here on Millionaire Mindset Plus. I'll leave the link down below in the description. To my second channel, I'm also doing a giveaway to my $397 course where I teach you how to master drop servicing and how you can get lifetime mentorship from me. In order to make money online with the strategy, the website that we're going to be using today is called kickbooster.me over here on the screen. So make sure to come over to this website and follow with me as we go through this video. Now, this website is an entire marketplace or a platform where we can go and promote different affiliate products, we can promote different services, and we can make multiple sources of income by promoting their various different full range of different products. This website has some of the best products online with some of the best commissions in the world that pay really high, sometimes even up to 50% or more, which is really great, unlike a place like ClickBank or Warrior Plus that sometimes only pays 20 to 30%. With a place like kickbooster.me, you can almost earn double your money. As this website says on the screen, you can bring your idea to life through the power of communities. So Kickbooster is basically a crowdfunding tool that you can use as a creator if you've got an idea or you've got some kind of concept that you want to turn into a business. This is where Kickbooster will help you do that. You can list your idea and turn it into a complete commerce business and a make money online business. Now, what this website does is it pays people like you and me to help people get their projects off the ground and will reward you with big commissions for doing that. And you really stand a good chance to make really good money online because some of these projects on this website I'm going to log in now to show you are some of the best in the world and have some of the best causes in the world. So when you come down on the page, you can see you can run or launch your own crowdfunding campaign. You can become a merchant, so you can run or in the process of launching your own e-commerce store, or you can become an affiliate for these different creators and merchants and help other people promote their crowdfunding campaign by sharing it with your own network and make huge commissions by doing that. I'm going to show you somebody who's doing this, who's making a lot of money online like this. And remember, a lot of this can become automated and you can make complete passive income online by doing this because this website runs for you. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page where it says referral marketing over here under the product section. Take a look at this. Over here, you can get people talking about your project and share other crowdfunding campaigns with other people and get paid commissions through that. So you can raise your own money through affiliate marketing on these different crowdfunding campaigns that are happening on Kickbooster for some of the best causes in the world. You'll see Shopify, Indiegogo, Kickstarter are all programs and websites and companies that are making use of this tool. So it's obviously very well recognized. It has a very good reputation, especially if companies this big are using this website. And it takes 3 simple, easy steps. All you do is scroll down and take a look at this just to show you some features of this affiliate program. Pay per performance, you get commissions every referral lead to a successful pledge, very high conversion rates, you get access to a ton of new networks and audiences. And if you want to create your own campaign as well, you can get other people to share that for you, so you can also make money through creating your own campaign and also make money through sharing other people's campaigns. So there's 2 ways that you can make money with this. Now, how you're going to make this money online is if you come over then from this referral marketing page to the marketplace over here, which will open up a tab like this where you can see tons of different campaigns on Kickstarter that you can go and boost and become an affiliate for and make money with these campaigns and sharing these good causes with other people. And as you can see, there are tons of so many different campaigns and projects running right now that you can go and promote as an affiliate to make money online. And before we go and promote any kind of campaign, you kind of want to learn what's trending right now. So you can see you can go and choose all campaigns, staff picks, which are some of the best recommended ones, crowdfunding campaigns, e-commerce, and then different campaigns in different categories. But what you can do is just quickly pop over to a website called trends.google.com, which is a tool where we can kind of get an idea where different trends are happening all over the world. So what I've been doing is I've just been reading through trends.google.com and seeing what's been trended right now. You can see Valentine's Day obviously being recent was a recent trend in the world. So you can find anything around a crowdfunding campaign that's got to do with love or Valentine's Days or flowers or something like that. Obviously, just because it's a trend, the odds of making far more money with it is much higher. But what we can do is we can come back to our campaigns over here and we can go and promote any one of these. But I'm going to show you one that really caught my attention over here. This Terra Planter over here, visibly follow the journey from seed to plant. So this is a campaign running right now where they are basically planting plants all over the world and they are collecting money as a non-profit organization to invest back into the environment and planting plants, growing trees, which is a really nice cause because it's something that a lot of people will support. So we can go and promote this cause or project as an affiliate, and you can take a look at this. Their goal was only $20,000. They've earned so far over $7.4 million in crowdfunding, people supporting this cause, giving donations, etc. So this is really good because more people are willing to give money to this campaign because it's a very good cause. It's protecting the environment. It's investing back into Earth, which is why this is a campaign that really caught my attention. So all you need to do is you need to click on Boost Campaign over here. There's a big purple button. Wait for this to load and you can see over here there's currently a video that basically explains what about they do. It's about 2 minutes long and it just explains more or less how they grow their plants and what their little business is about. So over here you can see you can earn 5% cash back for helping us spread the word. You'll be rewarded with 5% commission of every dollar you raise for our campaign. Now remember, 5% may not seem a lot, but this will end up being a lot more simply because it's already earned well over $7 million over its target because a lot more people are investing into this campaign because it's probably one of the best causes is when it comes to growing trees, plants, and investing into the environment. And what's great is there's no rules with promoting this. You can click and register to become an affiliate for this project. You can share your unique link, your affiliate link on Facebook, Twitter, blog, websites, or wherever you want to. It doesn't matter. So there's no rules about where you have to promote it. You can promote it anywhere. You can refer to your Kickbooster dashboard and watch your commissions roll in. And as you can see, this video over here is an entire 2-minute video explaining to people what this entire project is about, enticing people to invest and donate to this good cause. What we need to do from here is we need to click on the name of this video over here. You'll see it will say Terra Planter or whatever one you have chosen. Click on this. You can open it in a new tab. I'm just going to open it in a new tab and it will take me to this video on YouTube. And the next tool that I want to show you is this website over here called y2make.com, where you can go and download YouTube videos into MP3 or video format and save them to your PC. And why you want to do this is because we are basically going to use this video over here to make tons of money with the strategy that I'm going to teach you in promoting this project. To download this video, come back to YouTube, copy the entire URL of this video in the address bar, come back to ytmate.com, paste your link over here. You you can download this in 1080p MP4 directly to your PC. Once you've downloaded this to your PC, you just click on download over here. It will load like this and it will start downloading in just a couple of seconds. Next, what you want to do is you want to come over back to this campaign over here where we've opened up this Plant Insider. Click on help boost our campaign over here, and over here you will see your unique affiliate link to this crowdfunding source or project that we can go promote as an affiliate. Now if I come over to this link and I actually copy this, if I highlight it, copy it, and I come over to this link, I quickly want to show you how this works. This is how your referrals or leads will land onto this page. So it's basically going to take them to a page like this where you can see their entire project on Indiegogo.com, where people can go and donate money to this Terra Planting Foundation that is planting plants everywhere. You can see currently they've made over 99 million rand, it's just in my currency because I'm from South Africa, by 55,000 backers for this project since June 20th, 2020 so far. This converts to about $7 million, which I showed you in the beginning of this video. And you'll see over here they offer different kind of Terra planters. So they've got a 3 Terra planter, a 5 Terra planter, a 10 Terra planter, and the smallest one being $62, where it's just kind of like a donation, which is really great. So most people that come to this and want to follow this cause will come over here. They can purchase 2 Terra planters, 1 or 3 or 5, how much they ever would like to donate, and you will get a commission every time someone puts money into this cause through your link. And I quickly want to show you these 2 YouTube channels over here. This channel called Tech Plants over here, that's in the planting niche, and this person over here called Huchu, which also does nature, quick roots. You can see it's all in the environmental and planting niche. And let's take a look at one of their videos. This one over here, for example, let's just go the lemon tree update. You can see their content is monetized, which is great. So not only you can make money through the booster program over here, but you can also make money through ad revenue, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making 2 streams of income on YouTube with the booster and the project that we're going to be promoting, and then YouTube ad revenue when you get monetized from this. And you can see it's just kind of like a time lapse of the different plants that he's busy recording with his voiceover. Now what you can go and do is you can go and use this video that we have downloaded on y2mate.com to repost onto your own channel. You are allowed to do that as long as you give credit to that channel, and you want to build a channel around that niche. You can go post on TikTok as well, Instagram as well. You want to go produce content around the niche that you have chosen to boost on kickbooster.me. Since my niche that I used for this example is in the planting niche, you want to go and produce content around the planting niche. If you've chosen something in finance, obviously your content is going to be different according to the niche that you have chosen to promote on Kickbooster. You can go and use a simple free source video editing software called OpenShot Video Editor over here, where you can trim videos, cross platforms, unlimited tracks, edit titles, 3D animations, slow motion, time effects. And what I'm going to do is, just to help you out, I'll leave a link in the description down below to a free openshot.org video editing course, completely free, one that I found that you can take for free. So you don't need to pay for that. It will just help you a lot in learning how to make your own videos, produce your own content when it comes to building an audience online, affiliate marketing, promoting these various different campaigns and projects on Kickbooster. So this course will really help you a lot. It's not my own course. It's someone that I know that I'm referring you to. It's completely free. You don't need to charge. It's a full-on course that will help you with video editing. But guys, if you would like to get a free 26-minute in-depth masterclass training with me on what I do full-time off of YouTube called drop servicing. It's a full-time concept that I do where I sell rare high income skills and services. I get paid hundreds to thousands of dollars to do this for people, and all I do is I go over to freelance marketplaces and hire people to do the service for me, and I keep anywhere between 800 and 300% markup in my pockets, and I'm not doing any of the hard work at all. So it's very passive. You can make a lot of money while doing other things in your own time, selling these rare high income skills. And over here you can get lifetime mentorship from me, and you actually get one of my done for you drop servicing agencies that you can copy and paste, valued at $9.97, and tons of other bonuses in this course over here for just $3.97. It's currently on a huge special right now to help out with the pandemic period. You get lifetime access to this course, one-on-one video mentoring with me, and tons of other bonuses over here. So definitely come over to the first link in the description if you want to get that free 26-minute free training masterclass over here, and just scroll further down the page to read through what's in this course. You'll see results from other students. You'll actually see I've listed exactly what's in the curriculum as well. So everything is completely transparent. But without further ado, if you want to get this free training, come over to the first link in the description, and I'll see you on this page over here.